back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are going to check out a brand new box that was kindly gifted to me from the Wild Hearts gang. And this box, oh my gosh, I wish this box was around when I was 12 years old and I started my period. So if you want to find out more about this, then stay tuned, grab a coffee, because this one, if you've got daughters, if you are an age where you're just starting your period, you're going to really enjoy this box. So if you haven't already, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the video. So as I said, I was kindly gifted this gorgeous box from the Wild Hearts gang. They contacted me over on Instagram and asked if they could send it over to me and I would kindly review it to them. Now, I'm not just saying this because they've given it me for free, but I've had a little sneak peek and oh my god, if only this thing was around when I started my period. I was 12 years old when I started my period, and I remember the day as if it was yesterday. It was many years ago now, and I was so scared and just, you know, when you just don't know what to do. And I remember some really embarrassing days where I didn't have any sanitary towels at school, or we'd run out, or I'd used them all, and I had some really embarrassing accidents, and oh my god, I don't wish it on my worst enemy with things like that. But I've got a daughter, and one day, she's 6 years old now, so in the next 6 years she's going to start her period, and I would gladly give this to her because I think it really does help give it, ease it. So let's have a look. I will leave all of the details for the girls down at the Wild Hearts gang. Go and check out their Instagram. It's amazing, and they've just, as I said, just started up, and yeah, I'm so grateful that they sent it over to me. I really am. I really am. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. The box, the packaging is amazing. I mean, you wouldn't even know that it had sanitary stuff in there because it's just so trendy as well. So here there's a little booklet, and it's, hey girl, welcome to the Wild Gang. We are here to help you, guide you through your first period and everything this brings, so you can manage your periods like a boss. And literally it tells you everything, it helps you out here. You can contact them. The future is female. Well, you know it. As for where my daughter's going, it's definitely going to be a female future, I'm telling you. So it's going to basically guide you through, the change, what's changing, why it's happening to you, what's happening, what should I use for the bleeding, how often will it happen, how long does it usually last. Every question or every doubt you have, it's going to help you. And honestly, this is amazing because sometimes you do get embarrassed to talk to your parents. I remember, I was alright talking to my mum about it, but I had 3 sisters as well, so you can imagine what our cycle of periods was like in that household. My poor dad had no chance because we'd all end up being more or less on at the same time, and yeah, we'd end up crying, and he would like, what's wrong with you? We're like, oh, it's the time of the month, and he'd be like, okay, I'm gone, I'm leaving you alone. He just couldn't handle us. Anyway, that's another story for another day. So we've got a lovely message from them saying, we hope you love our box as much as we do. Lots of love, the Wild Heart gang. And this is from Annie. Annie, I absolutely love it. I just wish that I had something like this when I was 12 years old and I started my period. I mean, even now I'd love it. I still have a period now, and I would love this box even now. It's nice to have these little things in your handbag so that you can keep everything away, because the other day I have the smallest bag and I somehow had a sanitary towel in there, and I lifted it up and I was there waving it around. I don't know if anyone else has done that, but I've done it a few times, waving it around, and oh god, put it back in the bag. So what do we have? So first up, we have this gorgeous little pouch. It's waterproof, so this, I can imagine, you can clean, you can wash, make it, add all your sanitary towels in there. Lovely little thing. You wouldn't even know that what was in there. Then they send you lots of some sanitary towels, okay, some pads as well. So these are sanitary towels, and these are probably the panty liners, or are they 2 different sizes? Probably 2 different sizes. Okay, so that's what they look like. Then we've got a little wheat bag. So this is for the cramps, the period stomach cramps. Unfortunately, girlies, yes, we get really bad stomach cramps or backache, and this, you can heat it up and then just wrap yourself up nice and warm and cozy and use that. That is a gorgeous idea. Then in here, I think this looks like a bath bomb. Yep, we have a bath bomb to relax. Oh, that smells delicious. I won't show Penny, she's lying over there. She's obsessed with bath bombs. But honestly, I would love this for her. and I would definitely subscribe to something like this for her, because it's something that she can have every month and just keep her cheer her up, because it can be hard when you're on your period. Honestly, everything can really stress you out. And your hormones, I mean, at the beginning, you know, your hormones are changing, your cycle's changing, and your body's changing, and everything just goes up in the air. And I could presume it's the same when you go through the change with menopause as well. You know, your body just like, you've got no control of what happens in you with how you feel, your emotions and stuff like that. And unfortunately, we don't have control of our period. So chocolate, bath bombs, anything like that, which is here, chocolate. How gorgeous is that? Chocolate is a girl's best friend. It certainly is. My son had a little bit of an incident with a schoolgirl a couple of weeks ago, and the mom messaged me telling me that, you know, he accidentally, got to the bottom of it, he accidentally threw hand sanitizer in her hair because his friend Selena poured it into his hand. He wiped it off like that and it landed in the girl's hair. And bless her, she started crying and went home, and the mom was basically telling me that she just started her period, and I was like, oh bless her. So he took her a bar of chocolate into school, because I said to him, I'm gonna go in and say sorry, bar of chocolate, and I promise you she will forgive you. She basically turned around and said to him, could she do it every single day if it means him bringing chocolate in? So there you go. That just goes to show what chocolate can do for a girl at the time of the month. Okay, then next up we have a colour. So this is a lip marker, a lip stain. So it's like a lip gloss, like a nice little, it smells really nice. Wink of pink, the lip stain fresh colour. I've never seen that before, but that looks quite cool. I thought it was like a marker pen. Or is it a marker pen? Is there a little guide of what's in here? Just give me 1 second. And then last in the box, I think that's it, yeah. In the box is a South Bubble Black Charcoal Mask. So this is for cleansing, toning and purifying. Contains charcoal, hyaluronic acid, lemon, orange extract, papaya and sugar cane for normal, dry and oil skin types. So this is for everybody. And honestly, it's amazing what a bit of pampering can do. It does lift up your spirit. So mask, chocolate, what more can you ask for the time of the month? And then your little warm wheat bag as well. It's perfect. So honestly, I think this is a fab idea. And if you have got a teenage girl, or not even teenage, because a period can start from the age of 9 all the way up to 16 years old. One of my sisters started at 9 years old. I started at 12 years old. My older sister started about 14, 15 years old. It all depends. It's just crazy. Not everyone has the same cycle. It's crazy. So definitely I would go into this, and there's enough there to really help you, especially if you've got, you know, if you start your period and you're out and about, and you can have these in your bag in here, like you can't even tell what's in here. Keep them in your bag, because sometimes the period just creeps up on you. You think you're due and you're not, and then it will just come without you even sometimes realising it. So having that in your bag is a really good idea, and it's a really cute bag as well. So yeah, guys, definitely I think this is a fantastic idea. I would definitely recommend this for your daughters, because I would give it to my daughter. I mean, she could even start in the next 3 years. You just don't know. So am I going to hang on to this for 3 years? No. But I just hope that the Wild Gang is around in the next 6 years or so that I can get it for my daughter, because I think it's a really good idea, and it just helps them, give that bit of confidence as well, and support, to show and reassurance that it's normal, it's life. Yes, it's a little bit scary. Yes, your body's changing, but that's the whole point of growing up and becoming a woman, isn't it? So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this. Would you get this for your daughters? Would you buy it yourselves? Because I would. I mean, I could put this in my car now. I could have this in my bag instead of picking up a sandwich towel and waving it around wherever I go, because I just leave everything loosely in the bag. It's perfect. So guys, thank you so much. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.